Hey Claire, do you like your teddy bear? Do you like your teddy bear?
Yeah.
Does Corinne like her teddy bear?
Yep. I'm going to sign that.
Hi Corinne, do you like your bear? Do you like your bear? Does he tickle you in the nose? Does your bear tickle you in the nose like this? Or tickle you on the belly? Is he going to sleep inside the tent while you take a nap?
Turn your mama off. No. I'm out.
Okay. All right. Are you ready for a nap? Are you ready for a nap, lady? I think so. I think so. All right. Hey, that's Corinne's bear. Can you give it back to her, please?
Bears need to sleep too.
Oh, okay. Is he going to sleep inside the tent too?
Yep. Sweetie mother.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
All right. Good job.
No, we're real sleeping. No. So I play for